Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You have the essentials ready: watch OS updated and your watch paired. First, open Messages on the watch and pick a thread. Tap the Compose button or an existing message to reveal replies. Make sure the keyboard option appears. Some models show scribble and dictation first. If the keyboard is available, tap it to bring up keys. You're starting with input visible. This matters because the keyboard injects text differently than dictation, giving you precise edits and punctuation control. Now type your message. Use tap typing or swipe across keys with quick path when available. As you type, watch autocorrect suggestions above the keys. Tap a suggestion to accept it or continue typing to override. For punctuation, double tap the spacebar to insert a period and a space. Long press keys for accented letters. Once done, use the backspace to fix mistakes, or hold the spacebar and slide to reposition the cursor for precise edits. Before sending, this saves retyping. Finish by tapping Send and watch confirmation briefly appears. If the Send button is hidden, swipe or use the alternate send action. Different watch faces and apps can shift UI elements. If the keyboard never shows, go to Settings on the watch. Keyboard must be enabled and dictation allowed. When problems persist, restart the watch first, then update watch OS. As a last resort, unpair and repair the watch to reset paired input settings. This commonly resolves stubborn keyboard detection errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.